Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in the sought after gated community of Green Acres, located just beside the newly built police station. This property consists of 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom downstairs with living and dining, kitchen, laundry room, and double carport, unfinished, while upstairs as a master bedroom with walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with jacuzzi and 3 other bedrooms and a bathroom. The land area of this house is 9,801 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 31 million or US $201.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.